All right, so you opened up Facebook, ready to check out the latest memes and catch up with friends, and bam! You're hit with the dreaded account disabled message. Trust me, I get it. It's frustrating, confusing, and honestly, a little scary. You might be thinking, what did I do? Or, how do I get my account back? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of disabled Facebook accounts, exploring why it happens, how to navigate the recovery process, and most importantly, how to prevent it from happening again. So first things first, let's break down why Facebook might disable an account. Sometimes it's a mistake. Their algorithms flag something by accident, and you just got caught in the crossfire. But other times, it's because of violations like posting inappropriate content, spamming, or maybe even having a fake profile. Now, Facebook uses a mix of automated systems and human review, so things can get a little tricky. Before you go full panic mode, let's see if you can even recover your account. Try logging in. If you see that account disabled message with a link to appeal, that's actually a good sign. It means Facebook is open to hearing you out. Click that link and it'll take you to the appeal form. No link, well, that's a whole other conversation, but we'll get there later. Okay, so you've got that appeal form in front of you. Time to channel your inner lawyer, but keep it concise. Fill out all the details, your name, email, phone number. Make sure everything matches exactly what's on your disabled account. Now, the key here is explaining why you think your account was disabled by mistake. Be clear, be honest, and for the love of all that is good, be polite. All right, let's talk strategy. When you're submitting that appeal, make sure your ID isn't expired. Sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised. And double check that the name on your ID matches your Facebook profile. Next level tip, don't send multiple appeals. I know it's tempting, but trust me, it just clogs up the system. Chapter 5, Real Talk Success and Failure Stories. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The appeal process can be a bit of a black box. But here's the thing, people have success stories. I've seen it where someone accidentally uploaded a photo of their cat instead of their ID. We've all been there. Fixed it and got their account back in a couple of days. But I've also seen appeals get denied, and that's the frustrating part. Chapter 6. What if Facebook says no? Okay, so you didn't win your appeal. It happens. Before you go on a rage posting spree, which, by the way, won't help your case, take a deep breath. This is the time to really study Facebook's community standards. Understand what they're looking for, what they allow, and what's a big no-no. Chapter 7. How to avoid this whole mess again. Nobody wants to deal with a disabled account, so let's talk prevention. Strong, unique passwords are your best friend. And don't use the same password for everything. That's just asking for trouble. Turn on two-factor authentication. It's an extra layer of security that can save you a lot of headache. Ultra, stay safe, stay connected. So there you have it. The ins and outs of Facebook account suspensions and how to navigate that whole world. Look, it's a bummer when it happens, but hopefully this video gave you the knowledge and the tools to get your account back and prevent future issues. Remember, the internet can be a wild place, but with a little bit of caution and a strong password, you can keep your digital life running smoothly. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.